Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video I will explain about Nuxt.js and how views working in Nuxt.js. You basically have three levels. The first one is your app.html. It's using for basic content, like if you want to include Google Analytics on every site and you want to include it before you play around with the middleware. Then you have the layout. As default, you use the default.vue. Here you can change things inside based on the middleware, and you can have different designs. So if you have different pages, you can change the designs. And then you have the page. The page is where your content for the single page it is. So in this video, I will explain about the app HTML file, the global one. And then I will explain about the default one, where you can put more stuff inside on design level, and then on the single page level. So let's begin. At the beginning, you don't, if you have a fresh install of Nuxt.js, you don't have the app HTML file. So let's start to create this app.html, and then you just put this in. This is the HTML attributes, the head and the body, the attributes, and your app. That's what we have. So let's say after app loading, before app loading. Let's save this, and then let us run. And then it's ready. Now you can see we have the before app loading and then after app loading. So this content you can see inside here, the basic intro. It's your application for Nuxt. If you're going back, then we can go for the layout folder. We have the default as default, and inside here you can see that we have a template, the div and the Nuxt. The Nuxt tag, it's where you want to place the next step of the application. So if you don't use Nuxt, your application will not work. But here I will say we make a div, and then we say default view look before Nuxt tag. Whoops. And then I want to say after the tag, so we can see what's happening. And we just say style, background pink, and let's say red here. We save it and we go back to our site. You can see we still have the before app loading, and then we have default view before Nuxt tag, and then we have the default view after the Nuxt tag, and then we have the app loading. So now we have used the two of those. So let's go in for the single one. It's inside the page, and then we have, I think it's a index file. Yes, it is. Inside here we again can introduce our style, because we can have the container about it. So I will copy this in. Whoops. Copy this in and say blue. Before app HTML, and then I will put it down in the section. Sky blue, that's fine. And you can see we have an application here. This is before everything, and this is after. So something inside here is doing so. Our HTML is look a little weird, but the idea is you can stack your style in small containers around everything, and then it's easier for you to control. When you have the page, you can see we have the, if we say show the page source, if we have the title here, the title tag here, you can see basic intro. If we want to change this, we can go down here and we can basically say head, and then sorry, I'm a little wrong here. Then we go to meta, and I want to say name, title, content, nope, I'm totally wrong here. Just a second. I need to copy it from my Nuxt file. We have it. Okay, that's not so funny. Hit, and then title, test. Let's try this. I'm a little confusing now because I have forgot to add this, but it's working perfect. So to change your title for this is my basic intro index page. You can just do this, and then we go. You can see here it's the title, and if I reload here, it's changing up here. So that's about how you can working with your views, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you want to subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, please make them below. I will try to answer them. And of course, I hope you want to like this video, share it with your friends, and add it for your playlist. Thank you for your time and hoping for subscribing. See you next time.